craftsmanship, a spirit built on precision, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, is patience, resilience, and a professional commitment to always strive for better. We pursue accuracy over speed, excellence over simplicity, and quality over quantity. With time as our witness, we remain steadfast in our responsibilities. Shijaya Zhuang Pansto Pump Industry Co., Ltd., established in 1988, is a comprehensive enterprise integrating slurry pump manufacturing, R&D, casting, sales, and service. The company's factory is located in the Lingshu Economic and Technological Development Zone in Shijaya Zhuang with a total area of over 20,000 square meters, offering convenient transportation. To provide products of stable and reliable quality, we established a complete production and quality management system in 2013. We have successfully obtained ISO 9001-015, ISO 14001-015, ISO 45001-2018, as well as CE and EAC certifications. Our company's main products include over a dozen series of slurry pumps such as PHPG, PHHPV, PGY, PLPF, PQS, and PWN, with hundreds of different models. These products are widely used in various sectors including mining, metallurgy, petroleum, chemical engineering, coal, power generation, transportation, river dredging, building materials, and municipal engineering projects. Our company is committed to continuous improvement in technology and product development. We have introduced a slurry pump performance testing station and various precision machining mechanical tools. With professionally certified inspection processes, we ensure the high precision characteristics of our finished slurry pumps. We strictly adhere to environmental standards, actively adopt advanced technologies, and push product upgrades and innovation forward at full speed. With a professional R&D team, we achieve a 100% factory pass rate, and our on-time delivery rate remains at 100%. While striving for excellence in our products, we continuously reinforce our service and after-sales system. Our sales and service network spans South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, and more than 30 countries worldwide. From R&D and engineering to casting, machining, assembly, and delivery, every step is independently and precisely controlled. This ensures the long-term stability, durability, and reliability of every pump we produce. We uphold the vision of becoming an enterprise trusted and respected worldwide. Shijaya Zhuang Pansto Pump Industry is committed to building world-class products, driving technological innovation, and establishing a complete and reliable service system. Let quality become the symbol of our shared success and the foundation of sustainable growth, pursuing perfection with unwavering focus.